Oh, this is treacherous. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. Thank you for tuning into our dog walk. It's Wednesday the 2nd of February and it's my morning walk out with the little guys. We've got 8 dogs today, 3 border terriers. Who else do we have? We've got Elsa, Ted, Charlie, Barney and Ruby, and of course the border terriers, Juno, Biscuit and Alfie. So stay with us, we'll show you all our fun and what this place has to offer today. Already seen a few trees down because of the wind, so hopefully not too many more. Get that stick, Elsa. Go and get it. Go and get it. Ooh. Go and get the stick. Where's that Ruby? Where's that Ruby? She's got her nose into something. She's got her nose into something. We are just taking our time this morning, letting Ruby have a good sniff. This is very enriching for her. So we'll wait till she's had her fill and then we'll get moving. These guys can entertain themselves. Cyclist guys in here? In on me? Thank you, Charlie. Good, you guys, good. Good, Ted, that's very good. Right, really quickly for my border terrier owners. Which one's this? Really quick. Who was it? I'm asking that question because I've been caught out at least 3 times this morning. Their hair is both practically identical length now, and their collars are almost identical also. They've both got little tartan collars on. It was Alfie, just in case you're wondering. Alfie, Biscuit. Juno, good. I know, Alfie. You guys are looking so similar right now. So similar. You're maybe just a little bit longer in the hair, buddy. Okay. We good? Come on then. You right, boy? Aha, stick. Good boy. Good find, buddy. Good find. Barney's now bringing me the stick every now and again and just showing me it. He's so proud of himself. And the fact that none of the other dogs have tried to take it off him. He's just so happy. Aren't you, boy? Look at that head up. So proud. Oh, who's going to go up on this log? Who's going up? Good, Biscuit. Good, Alfie. Good, you too. Who else is going up? Juno? Barney? Elsa? Good. Come on, Charlie. Good boy. Good. Good fun. More trees to climb on. Come on then. Who's going up? Who's going up? Up. Up. Good, Juno. Alfie, come on. You're letting the side down. Alfie, up you come. He's rolling in the grass. Good, Ted. Good. Let's see if we can get them to do this. Alfie. 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 No, you're a Biscuit. Alfie. Oh yeah, good boy. Come on then, come on then. Good boy, Alfie. Good boy, good boy. Clever puppy. Yes, you're the best climber. You're the best climber. Hello, puppet. You're just young, aren't you? You're only 6 months. Hi. What do you think of the pack? Hmm? What do you think of the pack? You'll be a... Well, that was a nice way to wrap up our trip. A group of school kids watching the dogs have a little drink and a little paddle. They were all very complimentary of the dogs. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please give it a like, and subscribe to the page if you've not already done so. We'll see you on our next walk. Thank you.